Hey guys, this is Dylan here with Yardworks. As you saw in my previous video, my drill broke, so I went out and bought a new one. So I'll do an unboxing video here for you. Let's get started. I already cut the tie straps and the tape on the box, so we'll see what we got inside here. It comes in this nice little soft bag, and here's the drill motor. It's a DCD 790 half-inch cordless drill motor from DeWalt. 20 volt max XR extended runtime. And we'll get it out of the bag. It's a brushless motor. I don't know if you can see that. We'll get it out and we'll look at it more. It's a brushless motor. Still can't see it. It's DeWalt 20 volt max extended runtime half-inch drill driver. And we'll see what else is in the bag. Got the battery charger manual. Got the instruction manual for the DCF 886 1/4-inch brushless cordless impact driver. And got the instruction manual for the DC 790 20 volt max brushless cordless compact half-inch drill driver. Got the charger, 12 volt 20 volt max lithium ion battery charger, DCB 112. Trying to get this piece of cardboard. There we go. Got one battery here. Comes with two. 20 volt max lithium ion. Volt max lithium ion extended runtime. It is a 2 amp hour battery. And here's the other one, it's the same thing, DeWalt 20 volt max XR lithium ion. And last but not least, the 20 volt max extended runtime quarter-inch impact driver, DCF 886. That's the model number. I'll take it out of the bag. And it's also a brushless motor, so it'll run longer on one battery charge. So let's see how they run. I'll put the battery on. There we go. Unlock it. One. Get the battery out of this bag, see how it works. Unlock it. So they both run just fine. I'm going to charge the batteries up, read the manuals, and because they probably need to be charged before you actually use them. But here they both are. I think the batteries have to charge for like an hour, so I'll let them charge. I only have one charger though. So I'll let one charge at a time, and come back to it when it's done. There's the set. I don't think the cardboard's supposed to stay in there. Take that out. Here's the whole set. So it's actually called brushless drill driver compact brushless drill driver impact combo kit from DeWalt. There's nothing left in the box. It's got 2-year free service on the batteries, 3-year limited warranty, 1-year free service on the tools, and a 90-day money-back guarantee. So, and it also tells me what comes in the kit here. The kit number is a DCK281D2. And what comes in the kit is the DCD 790 half-inch drill driver, the DCF 886 1/4-inch impact driver, two 20-volt max lithium-ion battery packs, charger, two belt hooks, and a contractor bag. So that's all that comes in the kit. So that's it. Yard work's over and out.